are suffering from constipation, indigestion, bloating, gas problem, this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I am going to share very effective asanas to overcome from all these problems. So watch the video till end, because at the end of this video, I am going to share some bonus tips. If you are new to this YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. Namaste everyone, my name is Shaheeda. Let's begin. So the first asana we are going to practice is Malasan. So for the practice of Malasan, you can sit on the floor like this, pushing the knee out, joining the palm in front of your chest. Keep your spinal cord erect and breathe here. How long you have to practice? Minimum 1 minute you should practice. Maximum it is up to you how comfortable your knee and hip joints are. So Malasan is a very beneficial posture to overcome from indigestion problem, gas problem, and also it improves the flexibility of your lower body. After this asana, you can release the posture and then stretch your legs out, take rest. After each practice, take some rest and then practice next asana. So posture number 2 is Udar karanasan. For the practice of Udar karanasan, stretch your legs out, keep both the palms at the back of your body, bend both your legs one by one and keep shoulder level distance between both your knee like this much of gap. And then keeping the spinal cord erect, inhale, and as you exhale, drop both your knees towards right and look towards your left shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale, drop your knees left and look right shoulder like this. Inhale and exhale, drop right, look left. Inhale, drop left, look right. So practice 10 times right, 10 times left with the breathing like this. With the help of this Udar karanasan, you are not only going to get benefits in constipation, but also your neck joint and shoulder joint and your spinal cord is also going to become more flexible. The blood flow will improve around these joints. Next asana is Pashimotanasan or seated forward bend. For the practice of Pashimotanasan, stretch your legs out like this, keeping the heels and toes together. Spinal cord erect. Inhale, stretch your hands up, lean back little. As you exhale, slowly bend forward like this. You can hold your toe if you are comfortable. If you are not able to touch your toe, you can place your palm anywhere on the mat as per your current flexibility. And then after exhalation, head down. Inhale. And as you exhale, bend forward like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. So, Pashimotanasan helps to improve your digestion, improve the secretion of your digestive juices. So, I suggest to practice this Pashimotanasan 3 sets, and it depends on you how long you want to hold. You hold like for 10 to 30 seconds minimum, maximum it is up to you how comfortable you are. Let's practice Vakrasan now. Vakrasan is highly beneficial to give nice massage to the belly so that the secretion of digestive juices improve, and also it helps to keep your neck, shoulder, spine healthy. So for the practice of Vakrasan, bend the right leg from knee, bring the right foot close to the left knee. Keep the right palm at the back of your body like this. So for beginner, you can keep your left palm on your right knee, roll your shoulder back and you look back like this. And if you are able to touch your ankle or hold your ankle, you can hold your ankle and look back here You can hold this posture for 1 minute with normal breathing like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release on your right side, and don't forget to practice on left side. It is really important that if you are practicing on right side, definitely you should practice on the left side as well. Like this for beginner, and like this if you are flexible enough to hold your ankle. Look back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and hug your legs. See how simple these asanas are? After all these practices, lie down on your back for the practice of Pavanmt asan or wind relieving pose. Hug your legs like this, and then with the help of your hands, you can just hug your legs like this. Inhale through your nose, and as you exhale, your head goes towards the knee. Practice 3 times, hold 5 or 10 seconds as per the capacity of your lungs. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and then release. Rest in Shavasana after all these practices, and rest here for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to learn yoga under my guidance, you all are welcome to join my online yoga classes. These yoga classes are conducted on Zoom from Monday to Friday, and duration of each class is 1 hour. If you are a beginner already practicing yoga, or if you have any health condition, you all are most welcome to join these yoga classes. What you are going to learn? You are going to learn many asanas, pranayama, meditation, relaxation, cleansing practice. I am happy to share with you all that many of my students, they were suffering from many health conditions like diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, high blood pressure, PCOD, PCOS problem, anxiety, mental stress, depression. So they got benefited after joining these classes. So I highly recommend you all to join these classes. You can simply visit my website, which I have mentioned here, www.yogawithshaheeda.com, or you can WhatsApp on this number also. Now it's time for bonus tips. So you should practice mitahar. What does that mean? Mitahar means like eat till your stomach is half full. So 50% should be your solid, 25% should be water, and 25% should be empty for the movement of air. In this way, you will be helping your body to digest food better. Tip number 2, if you are not drinking enough water, so check your water intake. Minimum 2 to 3 liter water every day you should intake. Bonus tip number 3, check if you are sleeping enough or not. Many people these days are not sleeping well, so ensure that you are sleeping for 7 to 8 hours for the better digestion. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. Now you have learned all these asana. Please practice yoga every day to get benefited. If you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, please comment below. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Keep practicing yoga. See you all in next video. Namaste.